Hi guys! So mostly I will show the things that I did in my studio related to my artist work, and also some things that I did in September, and I hope that you will like it. So today is September 21st, and tonight we will participate with my music band on Chester Bennington's memorial show. But first I want to prepare painting materials for shipping this painting to my client, so let's start. So I have this huge thing that I have to cut to fit to this cardboard box. I was preparing the packaging materials in several different days, so the packaging videos might look slightly messy, but I hope that everything will be pretty understandable. I used cardboard that is very hard. It's almost impossible to bend it, so I really needed to be sure that my painting is safe and protected well. And between these two hard cardboard panels I put styrofoam, but I'm really paranoid and I need to know that my painting is safe and nothing will press on it and everything will be fine. I put on the back side of the painting a cardboard panel that is just usual cardboard. Of course, I used a bubble wrap for protecting the painting from damage. Then I put on top the second hard cardboard panel, and that's it. Your painting is in safe and absolutely ready for journey. I didn't close it with anything because in Latvian post offices we have to show what we sent, so I just filled some documents and the task was completed. I started to paint my new painting with an owl, so there's some shots from the process. Usually I clean my brushes in 2 steps. For this I use solvent and a linseed oil. After cleaning my brushes I also use the artist soap, and it's perfect to clean the brushes and hands and anything that is in paints. So yeah, never forget to clean your brushes because then they will stay alive much longer. It's a vegan apple pie and it's really easy to cook. If you want to, you can try to make it. So I really hope to see you in my next video. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. I really want to make videos for you. So yeah, bye guys!